was a classic entrepreneur, always wanted to start his own business. He and my mother started with just a couple of formulations and eventually continued to grow it over, year over year. Today we have hundreds of products, and we started with just 2. Today my son Brad is the president, and my son Barrett is vice president of brand marketing, and I'm excited to have both boys continue to grow the business for many years into the future.
Betco is a privately held specialty chemical and equipment manufacturer that's known for high-performing products and programs. Our customers bundle our cleaning solutions to service commercial facilities like schools, hospitals, or any buildings that need to be cleaned. We're always looking ahead to improve the business. Examples of this are investments in new team members, products, and technologies. Betco has always had a strength in floor care. In 2005, we acquired Basic Coatings because of the gym floor coatings expertise. Basic Coatings is the professional choice for wood floor coatings.
We took our commitment to the future of clean one step further with our acquisition of Envirozyme. We use biotechnology to work with customers across a wide range of industries to make products more efficient and sustainable. Envirozyme selects, grows, and ferments bacteria that naturally stimulate enzymes. Together, they break down and digest waste, all without hazardous or toxic byproducts. Envirozyme strives to be the global leader in the fermentation and development of microbial solutions by setting a higher standard, and we invested in building a new world-class ISO certified facility to make that a reality. From Envirozyme to Basic Coatings to Betco, we aspire to be our customers' preferred choice, but it cannot happen without the tireless efforts of our valued team members. Here at Betco, we are constantly working to foster a culture of entrepreneurship, open-mindedness, creativity, and fun.
If you're thinking about applying for a job here at Betco, don't wait any longer, and we look forward to seeing you around the building.